Let's see in this video what kind of cells are in these laptop batteries. It's DELL branded battery type GK479. It's rated at 11.1 volt with capacity 56 watt hours. If we divide 56 by 11.1, we will have around 2.5 amps. We will have 5 amps, but there are 2 cells here, so each cell should be around 2.5 amps. But let's see what's inside these batteries. I'll start opening them from the terminal. They opened relatively easy. In regards to the other batteries that are very well glued. What is actually inside are LG cells, which are LGDB118650. I think they are rated at 2600 milliamp hours. The quality is good. Let's open another one. You can see they're the same cells, LG DB118650. Let's open the last one that I have. Here we have the same cells, LGDB118650. So if you buy a branded laptop battery, you can expect good quality cells there. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more batteries, subscribe to it, like it.